Welcome back! In this lesson, we are learning about CSS transformations, which let us manipulate elements by moving, resizing, and rotating them. The property we use is transform, and it accepts different functions. Scale makes an element bigger or smaller. For example, scale 1.2, enlarge it by 20%. Rotate spins the element by degrees. For example, rotate 45 degrees, turn it 45 degrees. Translate X and translate Y move an element horizontally or vertically. You can also combine them like transform, scale 1.1, rotate 10 degrees, and translate X 20 pixels. Sure is another transformation that slants the element, but we'll focus on the main three: scale, rotate, and translate. So here I created a card that grows and rotates sadly when hovered, giving a 3D-like interactive effect. Always takes combined transformation because order matters in this case. Scale and the rotate looks different than rotate than scale. So transformation gives you freedom to create dynamic and attractive effects. And just because if you don't know the hover effect is when you, with the mouse, you hover an element, an item of the website. Don't confuse it with selecting. Selected is not the same as hover. Hover is only when you pass the mouse on the element. But select is when you touch the element with the mouse. So see you there. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson, and please support us with a good comment and a good research. So, goodbye.